Hi everyone, this question is from Olympiad Pathfinder Chapter 12, multiple choice question number 14. The question is, a conducting sphere of radius r1 is surrounded by a dielectric layer of outer radius r2 and dielectric constant epsilon subscript small r. If the conducting sphere is given a charge q, determines surface density of polarization charges on the outer surface of the dielectric layer. There are 4 choices. We are to solve and see which all are correct. For convenience, we have collected the data over here. Conducting sphere has radius r1 and charge q. This green color sphere is the conducting sphere and is having q total charge on it, and r1 is its radius. Dielectric layer has the outer radius r2. The dielectric layer has been shown as blue-gray color, and r2 is its outer radius. Dielectric constant is epsilon r for the dielectric. So what is happening here? Because of this conducting sphere, which is having a total q charge on it, the polarization will occur inside the dielectric layer. So if Q be the positive charge minus Q1, if we assume that the charge due to polarization appearing on the inner surface of dielectric layer. So consequently, plus Q1 charge will be appearing on the outer layer or outer layer of the dielectric. Due to this Q charge on the conducting sphere, if there would not be having any dielectric at a distance r, we have taken it as this sphere, then the E field could have been written directly as E is equal to Q by 4 pi r square epsilon naught. This is the permittivity constant. And it would have, we know that radially outward, the direction of it will be radially outward. But due to the introduction of dielectric layer, the permittivity constant inside the dielectric layer has changed, and that has become now epsilon r into epsilon naught. So the field will change, the field strength will change, and that is equal to E1. We have represented it as E1 is equal to Q by 4 pi r square. New permittivity constant epsilon r into epsilon naught. Epsilon r is the dielectric constant. So how much change? The change what is coming in the E field is due to the polarization charges appearing on the inner and outer surface of the dielectric layer. So E minus E1 will be the field due to the polarization charges. We will put the value of E and E1 from here and we'll solve it. We will reach to this, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into Q into epsilon r minus 1 in bracket divided by epsilon r. If you see carefully, we can say comparing with the Coulomb's law that this entity Q into epsilon r minus 1 divided by epsilon r will be the charge. Will be representing the charge, and this is nothing but the polarization charge. So since we have taken Q1 and minus Q1, the charge appearing on the two layer of the dielectric. So we can say that Q1 is equal to Q into epsilon r minus 1 divided by epsilon r. Now we know the value of Q1. So if we divide by the surface area, we will be getting the sigma. So sigma will be Q1 by 4 pi R2 square. Putting the value of Q1 from here, we will get this expression. If we compare this with the options given in the question, we can see that the answer will be D. So answer D is the correct answer. You can go through the write-up for easy understanding. In case anywhere you find difficulty in understanding or comprehending the concept behind it, please do write in the comment box. I will come back on it. Thank you.